Waze freezing, losing GPS, or going silent? We tested these fixes on a Galaxy S24 and a Pixel 8, and most problems come down to two things: location permissions and a corrupted cache. Here's the order. First, GPS permissions. The single most common fix. Set Waze's location access to always or while using, because anything less blocks GPS entirely. After we reset location permissions in our test, Waze picked up signal within seconds. Next, clear the cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Waze, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. iPhones have no per-app cache option, so delete and reinstall instead. In our test, this fixed a map that had been frozen for 3 days. Still buggy? Update or reinstall Waze. An outdated build causes crashes and GPS failures, and a fresh copy clears any corrupted files. You'll sign back in, but your save places and route history sync from your Waze account. Getting directions on screen but no voice? Open Settings, Voice, and Sound, and make sure sound and voice directions are both on. Then, check your phone isn't muted. Flip the side switch on iPhone and turn the media volume up. If GPS keeps dropping, turn off Battery Saver. It restricts background activity, so Waze can lose your location every 30 to 60 seconds while driving. In our test on a Pixel 8, turning it off fixed the signal drops immediately. No traffic showing? The layer may be off. Go to Settings, Map Display, Reports, and enable Traffic and Traffic Jams. If it's still blank, check your data. Waze needs a live connection for real-time traffic, not just Wi-Fi. So start with GPS permissions and clearing the cache. Those two fix most Waze problems. If it's still broken, update or reinstall. And remember, Battery Saver quietly kills GPS while you drive. Full guide on FoneTips